The customer service that comes from FIrstWatch is phenomenal. And it's one of those companies that keeps innovating, so there's new and more fantastic information that comes from them all the time. We recently had an event that happened in our community called the Electric Daisy concert. Now, Electric Daisy had been in LA and had been in Dallas, and there had been some pretty bad outcomes that had come with that. But in Las Vegas, in true fashion, that's what we do, is big events and big entertainment venues. So we were having this event that was going to be a 3-day deal at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and while the Las Vegas Motor Speedway is not in North Las Vegas' jurisdiction, the transportation corridors that go to the Las Vegas Motor Speedway are in our jurisdiction. And while the contract for the medical coverage and the planning and all the other event coverage issues were put out to a private provider and had great coverage from a group of local emergency medicine physicians, what we were concerned about is how much that was going to impact our surrounding area. So I called up the FIrstWatch people about 2 days before that event and said, hey, just out of curiosity, can we Geo Fence these transportation corridors that are going from the Las Vegas Motor Speedway down to the hotel corridor where all these people are going to be traveling. Now again, the Electric Daisy concert is a big rave concert that goes for 3 days, the middle of the desert, 100-degree heat. It goes from 7 at night till 6 in the morning. It was going to draw several 100,000 people to this event. So naturally you would think that sometime in the wee hours of the evening there was going to be some demand placed in those transportation corridors. And sure enough, we were able to capture all that information. So next year, if we're lucky enough to entertain that venue again, it'll give us a little bit better planning issues, and it was allowing us to tweak that. But that's one of those things where we call up 2 days ahead of time, say, hey, can we make this tweak in the system? Can we wrap this area on the monitoring system? And it was done within a couple hours.